Hi everyone. Are you having an issue with YouTube restricted mode won't turn off? In this video, we have listed different ways to fix this problem. One of the first things you should try to fix YouTube restricted mode issue is to restart the device. If you're having trouble with YouTube's restricted mode, you might just need to clear the app's cache and cookies. Using your Android phone, access Settings. Under Settings, select Apps. Locate the YouTube app. And select Storage. Click Clear Data and Clear Cache at the bottom. Try to check if you can turn off restricted mode. Some users can't turn off YouTube restricted mode because their account is linked to the Google Family Link account. The Google Family is a service that lets the parent account share Google content that they have bought with their children. It can track and block YouTube content on the accounts of their members. Find the parent account and have them go to the Google Family Link app to turn off restricted mode. This will remove the restrictions on the YouTube account. When an application is out of date, problems tend to happen. Make sure the latest updates for the YouTube app are installed to avoid problems, or fix ones like YouTube's restricted mode that won't turn off.